Hello. Last time we learned the 8 simple vowels.
A, O, U, I, E.
Today we'll build whole words from those vowels alone. Not a single consonant. In front of Gwanghwamun, the changing of the guard happens twice a day. They march to the drum, spears upright, holding their posts. See the guard walking towards us? He starts tiny far away and grows. The closer someone comes, the bigger they look. That is perspective. A dot in the distance, and now you can see his face. Today we'll walk this square and pick up words as we go. When we write, a small circle sits in front, but it makes no sound at all. We've reached Gwanghwamun. Shall we meet today's first word?
I.
It means a child.
A,
And
E.
2 vowels sitting side by side.
A, E.
Slowly now join them.
I.
Shall we step down one at a time? One step, one sound.
E.
A single letter is already a word. It's the tooth in your mouth. Pull your lips wide to the sides and you get
E. A,
and
E.
both stand upright, shaped after a person standing tall. Look up the steps.
U,
and
E.
joined into one letter. It means above. King Sejong looks down from the top of these steps, the man who made Hangeul. Down the last step. Shall we head for the tunnel made of water? Gwanghwamun Square has a tunnel of water. 77 jets arching overhead. Stickman runs to the far end and back, smaller going bigger returning. Walk on through the jets. The next words wait at the stall ahead. Oh, something's rolling this way. Today's second word.
Ui.
A green cucumber. Round your lips 4.
U,
Then pull them wide 4.
E. U, E. Ui. I.
And
Ui.
same ending. Change one sound in front and the meaning changes. The long green one, that's the cucumber you eat. There's a tiny baby by the stall. A very young child is a
U,
and
A.
vowels only again, no consonant. Vowels can stand alone with no consonant. Rare among writing systems. Put 2 vowels side by side and you hear both sounds one after the other. Both letters are the same size. Hangeul is written to fit a square block. Wait, something's tipping over on the right side of the stall. Careful, the milk is falling.
Uyu.
Sweet white milk. Push your lips forward 4.
U.
Then,
Uyu.
why pick it up so fast? That reason is,
Iu. E.
and
Iu.
is made of 2 vowels too. Whoa, the fountain shoots up. The sound you make when startled.
U.
Just one letter and a real word all the same. And
U.
also means 5. 1, 2, 3 for 5.
U.
For a bigger surprise.
Ua.
Wow, vowels only again. Here stands the Hangeul Fountain, 225 floor nozzles. Heaven,
A.
earth,
U.
human.
E.
These 3 shapes make every vowel. 14 consonants, 10 vowels, and 4 old letters no longer used today. Aria banshiat yet young year and hyut. They rise and scatter like water. Letters change with the times. The square also hosts taekwondo demonstrations. A flying side kick, a 540 spinning kick, and 4 boards in one jump. Doing it outdoors like this is
Yahweh.
and
We.
Stickman cheers from among the crowd, hand in the air. Shouting in disapproval is
Yayu.
and
You.
someone's on the bench. 6th word.
Au.
A warm word for a younger sibling. From
A.
to
U.
open wide then round forward.
A. U.
Sounds have a temperature too.
A.
And
U.
are bright and warm.
O.
And
U.
are darker. Same temperature, and they snap together like magnets, warm with warm, cool with cool. Only
E.
is the exception, shaped after a standing person. It gets along with both. Let's sit side by side and match our mouths. Copy my mouth. See, my friend beside me is copying too. Sure, something's in the bush. 7th word.
Yo.
The red fox. Oh, it's gone.
Yo. Aya.
Ouch. A tumble on the leaves. That's what you say when it hurts. Walking slowly under the falling leaves, that calm is
yeo-yu,
leisure. The sun is going down. The square we walked all day turns red. Friends gather one by one. Shall we all look up at the sky? The sun sets and the lanterns come on one by one, starting from the left. When the last lantern lights up, we all raise our hands together. This place we've walked all day, that's
야외,
outdoors. Take out a mirror. Watch your own mouth as you copy me.
이, 오, 우,
See how the shape changes each time. Today's words
아이, 이, 위, 오이, 이와, 오유, 이유,
and
오, 우와, 야외, 야유, 아우, 여우, 아야, 여유.
15 in all. Everyone is built from vowels alone, not a single consonant. Next time we'll put the silent
이응.
in front of a vowel and build syllables consonants at last. Thank you for following along. See you next time.